So Brianna, tell us something, what happened?
I've just been having a lot of shoulder, collarbone, like tension, and my neck not having a lot of like rotation and function.
Do you feel stuck or
A little bit.
just a reduction of the range of motion
Yeah.
about your neck?
I like to move around a lot on stage, and
Okay.
I will try to do crazy stuff, and I feel it
Okay,
afterwards.
so we have to fix this neck or...
Can't play guitar.
Yeah, you won't perform the perfect performance. Let's make just a little test because let's see this rotation. Okay, yes, this way is a bit less than the other one. Now let's start from here. No worries because nothing is gonna be painful. Leave everything to me. And here we go. Perfect. Okay. Let me fix the last part here, no worries. Okay, here we go. Okay, very easy. This is just a little warm up. We're going well. Okay. Now once again, we will approach this side. Okay, leave everything to me, no worries. And here we go. Yes. Okay, wonderful. Does it bother you? Everything fine?
No, lovely.
Bearable? Okay. And then just the last one here. Okay, just drop your head. Here we go. Wonderful. Okay. Yes. That was the last one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Another one. Wanna try?
I'm good. This one's all you. I got you next time.
Just bend over, please. That's fine. Okay, a bit more. Here we go. Let me check. It's fine. Okay, you can just stand up once again. Please lie on your back. You can turn by side. And here we go. Try to release your muscles. Wonderful. Okay, perfect. Everything fine?
That was very
You remember it? Yeah?
The plane, definitely.
Okay. I would like to do something else sitting by the side. Just a little. Just a little adjustment on the pelvis. Here we go. Yes, right in the pelvis. Just drop your legs. That's fine. Wonderful. Here we go. Okay, take your time. We give some time to the muscle just to release a bit more. Okay, good sensation?
Yes.
Okay.
What music have you been listening to?
Okay, let me check the rest. Yes, let's approach a bit the dorsal. I mean the upper back. Okay, here we go. That's fine. Okay, once again, relax, no worries. Yes, you okay? Ready? Here we go. Yes, that was the last one. Take your time. Just a little back. There we go. Okay. You can turn by this side once again. Thank you. Just straighten your legs a bit. Okay. Leave everything to me. Good job. Okay. Don't be afraid to fall. You won't fall, so just try to release the muscles. Okay. Yes, wonderful. Yes, a bit more, a bit more, a bit more. Yes, that was the good one. That's fine. Are you practicing any sport now? Or do you want sport?
No sports.
No?
Just the singing.
Just singing the whole time.
I did play
Full
soccer
time.
or football
Yeah?
a couple of weeks ago.
Okay.
I just kind
You don't mean soccer, right? It's
Soccer,
football. Ah,
yeah.
okay, soccer. Okay.
Soccer.
That's fine. Okay, once again here on the pelvis. just drop your leg once again. Okay. Wow. Okay. Perfect. That was an interesting one.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Okay. Once again, let's take care of the upper back. Let's check. Okay. I think it's not gonna be easy. Let's check. Will it bother you? A bit? A bit annoying? No?
No.
Sure? Okay. Okay. Not bad. But it's stuck here. You have to find a different solution. Let me check. That's right here. You see? I tried, but it's stuck. Try to lie on your stomach, face down. We'll try a different approach. Okay. Move a bit more downward. Yes, it's fine. Let me check a second, please. Okay. That wasn't here, huh? Was outside. Relax. Okay, no worries. Okay, a bit more. Okay, almost there. Try to just lean on your elbow, so like this. Okay, yes. And now, yes, drop your head. I'm gonna hold it, okay. No worries, leave everything to me. Yes, no worries, no worries, no worries. Okay, almost there. Other side, please. Is everything fine? It's a bit hard, this one. Okay, almost there. Try to drop your head. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Relax, relax, no worries, no worries. Yes. Okay. Fine?
Very good.
Okay. Face up, please. Yeah, it's a bit hard. I found a very tough spot, so.
It was a lot.
Take your time. Just recover a bit from this hard attempt. Yeah, this is the traction. We need it because it's really stuck, and I tried different ways to unlock it, so this time it's gonna work. Leave everything to me. Okay.
Wow.
Yes. Take your time. She needs some years.
Wow. That was crazy. I felt that go all the way down.
All the way.
Thank you.
Okay? That's fine. Let me check. Leave everything to me. Okay, last one. Here we go, no worries. Okay. That's fine. Okay. That's fine. that was about the collarbone.
I was born with a broken collarbone, and I have not met many other people with it, but one other person, they said same thing every morning, it just has like a popping sound.
So what about your impression about the traction? You were saying something.
Oh, we were joking that I was a little bit nervous. I was like, I'm either gonna die or it's gonna feel great.
Oh, it's everything great. You're still with us.
Yes, of course.
So it's everything fine. It's not going to get a bit scary with these strong pains, powerful ones. So just hold on tight to the edge, but here you can even drop your body. Now hold on tight. We will. This is another kind of traction. We will pull the hips. So just hold on tight, and here we go. Yes, it worked. That was just the first one. Now the second one. Here we go. Yes, perfect. Now, just put down your arms. Here is much better. Yes, softer. Yeah. Oof. Much better. Let's check second sacrum. Here we go. I'm gonna apply an important pressure here, okay? In case it will bother you, you just tell me. Is it bearable? Okay. Last one. Yes. You okay? Yes. You okay? You got to. Now, let me see. Now it's fine. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Now, face up, please. just come on the edge, no worries. Yes, here. Okay. Okay. Then fine.
Yes, that's where I have my soccer injury on.
Yeah. Yeah, we fix that knee. Yeah, it's fine. You can sit by this side. Okay. Leg jerk. That was the shoulder link with the collarbone. So let's have a look. Just try to drop your arm. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Was painful? No? Are you
No, it's
fine?
okay.
Good. That's good to do. Okay, just drop it. No worries. Okay. Pretty easy. Little bit into me, almost. Okay. Perfect. And now, please just sit by the side. You can spread one leg here, another one by the other side. Right here. You can sit by the side.
What?
Sit by the side. Yes.
Like that?
You can spread your legs because you want us to sit here.
Like
Yes, one here is fine. Perfect.
Okay.
Just relax. Okay, hold on. Grazie.
And then when we do a split, I was like,
Cosa mi dici?
that was tricky.
Okay, perfect. Is everything fine? Please lie on your back. Okay, you can open a bit your mouth, just a little, it's fine. A bit more, okay, it's fine. A bit more, okay, good work. Now let me check the rest. Open a bit more, yes, give everything to me, no worries. A bit wider, okay, here we go. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. Yes. Fine. Okay. Try to release your mouth. Okay. Let it's lay, just lay down, or worse, like this. Okay. Relax, relax, relax. A bit more. Yes.
Wow.
You can sit by the side you prefer here. Okay, let's check the circle and all the rest. So tell us your feedback and your sensations.
That jaw one was so good, like, that was excellent. I really like the technique with the towel, whatever that was.
The traction, whatever it was.
Looked like a difficult, difficult technique.
Yeah.
But I feel like I'm in a zen, like very relaxed. Yeah, I feel like I can finally like relax
Mhm.
after a lot of travel and stuff.
Okay, that
Thank
was
you.
that's what our aim. So let's say goodbye to our friends. You remember?
Yes.
That's the way we crack everything. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.